come.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
So please introduce yourself.
So my name is Utkarsh Yayati. Basically, I am from Bihar. Born and brought up in Begusarai. Did my schooling from St. Paul's in Begusarai, and afterwards I moved to Calcutta for my undergrads and completed my BLLB from there in 2024. After that, I enrolled in the coaching for my judicial service preparation in Rahul IAS Delhi.
Yeah.
So why LLM now? Why not judiciary?
Judiciary, sir, there is 3 years practice, so
So
we
you are
can
taking
not-
LLM as second option कि
No,
3
sir.
साल wait करना
So
है,
I
LLM
want
कर
some.
लेते हैं.
I want in specialization in criminal law, so that at the end of the day, whether I'll be an advocate or a judge or a professor, I'll have some specialization in my field.
So you are extremely confused what you want to do. You want to be advocate as well as judge as well as professor. That's not
No,
a
sir.
sound approach to.
I want some specialization in my career in criminal law. So at
How
that,
will it help? Like, will it not be
the higher studies
unjust?
always help in some work.
Okay, will it not be unjust that you are taking seat of a person who really wants to excel in academics and you are really unsure whether you want to go in academics or be an advocate or go to judiciary? Will it not be unjust? Just think about it.
So studying from a good institute always benefit for a career growth, I think. So whatever career I'll choose, I have some specialization or some benefit from a good
You have
college.
already chose your career. Like you want to really go into judicial service. That's why you have even taken coaching for that, right?
Yes, ma'am. Not only judiciary, but ma'am, studying law gives you enough knowledge to excel in whatever field anyone chooses in their career. So whether
So
it
there is actually a review case of that judgment, All India Judges Association versus
Yes,
Union of
ma'am.
India. What is the title of that case?
now
Yeah.
Chandrasen
recently
Yadav
there-
versus Union of India.
What?
Chandrasen Yadav versus Union of India.
Nice. Okay, so tell me why you have chosen JAMIA only.
Ma'am, JAMIA is a top-notch law school since many decades, and studying from there is a privilege for anyone who will get admission in it.
There are various other, like ILI is there. It is also a very renowned institute for doing LLM or higher studies.
But if you see the rankings of NIRF, JAMIA tops always in top 5, top 6. If you see.
NRIF की तो रैंकिंग पूरी यूनिवर्सिटी की आती है, वो सिर्फ कॉलेज की नहीं आती.
Yes, ma'am. But NLUs के बाद after NLUs, JAMIA is the only university, central university which is in top, or BHU. I don't know whether. In JAMIA is the top institute in India.
So what is the full form of
Even
NIRF?
law school. Yes, sir.
What is the full form of NIRF?
National Institute of Framework, Regional Framework, Ranking Framework. I don't know. Somewhat. It is
So, what is your preference for LLM?
criminal law.
Criminal. Why criminal law?
I have interest in criminal law.
Okay. So,
Why?
same question for you. If you don't get admission in criminal law stream, will you leave?
Maybe, sir. I'll leave
Then
because I want
it
only
would be
criminal law.
better of that. We should give admission to a person who has preference of corporate law. We should not even consider you. Will it not be better?
Sir, I want only criminal law. That's why I'm thinking of doing masters. And JAMIA has the specialization. So even they have 30 seats. So I think maybe I'll qualify or not. Then what will happen in the future? Don't know now.
Okay, what is the enforcement date of new criminal law?
Enforcement,
Enforcement date of new criminal law.
1st July 2024,
Okay. And enactment date?
25 December 2023.
Tell me what are the major changes in DNS?
There is one change is mob lynching has added in section 101 clause 2,
Okay.
which is if anyone lynched any person on the name of religion, caste, or anything, then they shall be prosecuted.
Okay. And any other offenses? Any other new offenses?
Capital offenses,
Any other new offenses?
organized crime,
Yes, organized crime.
petty organized crime,
Petty organized crime.
snatching.
Yes, snatching.
Okay. Are you aware about new offense of terrorist act? Offense of terrorist act is added in DNS.
Terrorist act.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similar offense is already present in UAPA. Can you differentiate between terrorist act under BNS and under UAPA?
Sir, UAPA stands for Unlawful Activities Prevention Act,
Like, is there
and
any
it is
difference
related to somewhat terrorist act only.
सिर्फ टेररिस्ट एक्ट वहाँ पे डिफाइन था, फिर हमने यहाँ भी लिया है, कुछ डिफरेंस हमने रखा है.
UAPA maybe, sir, it is for the disturbance which is caused in country, within country. It is applied UAPA. Terrorist act maybe outside of
Is
the
there
country.
any safeguard which is given under this provision of terrorist act? Like, is there any safeguard that this minimum rank of police officer will decide whether the offense will be treated under a BNS or UAPA?
Superintendent of police.
Okay. So, are you aware about doctrine of eclipse?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you cite any case laws related to that?
Case law. Sir, I'm not remembering now.
What is Estrada doctrine in international law? Stimson doctrine?
I have not studied international law, sir.
अच्छा, नीलसन मंडेला रूल्स के बारे में पता है?
Nelson Mandela.
हाँ, ये किससे रिलेटेड है? ये राइट्स किसे राइट्स देता है नीलसन मंडेला रूल्स?
Related to right to equality.
मिरांडा राइट्स.
Can you differentiate between theft, robbery, extortion, and dacoity?
Robbery, dacoity happens when 5 or more people commit the crime together. It's called dacoity.
Any crime?
Any crime. Dacoity.
Like
can
if
commit any crime.
Dacoity means some they are
इनिशियल से स्टार्ट कर दे, पहले थेफ्ट को बताइए.
start from theft.
theft is something when any person pick any movable property from anyone's custody. It is called
Custody.
theft. Possession.
Position. Okay.
Theft. It is called theft.
और इंटेंशन के क्या है? डिसऑनेस्ट इंटेंशन होना चाहिए या नहीं?
Intention.
What is the mens rea in theft? Rather, to rephrase it.
Guilty mind.
मेंस या प्रेजेंट है या नहीं है?
Yes, ma'am.
है प्रेजेंट. ओके. फिर थेफ्ट और एक्सटॉर्शन में क्या डिफरेंस है? एक्सटॉर्शन आप बताइए.
Extortion means, ma'am, when someone causes fear to someone and take the possession of anything from them. Extortion.
फियर ऑफ व्हाट?
Fear of anything, like fear of killing someone or some kind of threat.
थ्रेट ऑफ डेथ, ग्रीवियस हर्ट,
Yes, ma'am, hurt.
ये सारी. अच्छा, फिर तो रॉबरी क्या है?
Robbery.
रॉबरी में कौन से एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट होते हैं? यानी कि
When someone compels someone to, means there is a fear of injury is there in robbery. It is called
सिर्फ फियर ऑफ इंजरी मैंने किसी को कॉज कर दिया तो रॉबरी हो गया.
fear of life, death. There is a danger of death. If someone is taking any property, someone's position in the fear of death.
रॉबरी
of the
में दो एलिमेंट होते हैं, थेफ्ट के या तो होंगे या तो एक्सटॉर्शन भी होंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
तो कब थेफ्ट रॉबरी बनेगा और कब एक्सटॉर्शन रॉबरी बनेगा?
When there is danger to the life of the person, then it becomes robbery. Theft become robbery, and extortion. I'm confused, ma'am, right now.
Okay. What is mens rea?
Guilty mind.
Any maxim related to that?
Actus non facit reum.
Mm-hmm.
Misi setria.
नीसी.
So, does this word mens rea, does it have any mention under BNS? The term mens rea.
Mens rea is not mentioned.
Okay. Do we have mens rea in? Do we have provisions of mens rea in BNS?
Yes, sir.
Under which terms?
Say murder, we have mens rea. In murder, we
No.
have.
जैसे
What are
मेंस्ट्रिया
the
के लिए
terms
हमने
which
क्या
are
क्या
used for?
टर्म इस्तेमाल किया? मेंस्ट्रिया तो आपने
What-
कहा नहीं
which-
इस्तेमाल किया है कहीं पूरे एक्ट में, तो उसके लिए और कौन सा हमने टर्म इस्तेमाल किया है? जैसे डिसऑनेस्टली कहीं हमने इस्तेमाल किया, वॉलंटरली
voluntarily,
इस्तेमाल किया,
fraudulently.
नेग्लिजेंटली, रेकलेसली, ये सब क्या है, मेंस रिया को ही दिखा रहे हैं. ठीक है.
Any offense in which mens rea is not essential under BNS?
Abduction.
Abduction mens rea essential नहीं.
It is not punishable in BNS.
It is not punishable per se.
That's why it's,
It is not punishable per se, but mens rea उसमें है.
मेंस रिया
Rather kidnap.
जरूरत मतलब एक्सक्यूज कर दिया जाता है मेंस रिया कि मेंस रिया अगर नहीं भी आप प्रूव कर पा रहे हैं बट वो क्राइम हो गया, उसके लिए आपको सजा मिलेगी.
Abduction is one such example. Apart from that,
I have to think.
okay.
I have one question.
Nervous.
Okay. Calm down. Take your time.
Do you have a very simple question? Do you think that death penalty should be retained in India? Why or why not?
Should be
Death penalty should be retained in India or not?
retained.
मतलब कि डेथ पेनल्टी एज अ पनिशमेंट होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए?
Yes, it should be there.
व्हाई?
Why? Or why not?
So Indian courts have said that death penalty is even when there is a case of rarest of rare.
किस केस में कहा?
Rarest, Bachchan Singh.
पूरा नाम टाइटल.
Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab.
Okay.
And I think
आपके
that
ओपिनियन में क्या है?
I think that the India is facing several grave offences nowadays. So
Okay.
if we have to make it less, so we have the provision of death sentence because
Are you in support of deterrence theory of punishment?
yes, ma'am.
पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट का तो हमेशा से इंसिस्टेंस अभी के टाइम पर रिफॉर्मेटिव थ्योरी पर रहा है.
Ma'am, we have even Parliament has changed the law of IPC from Indian Penal Code to Bharatiya Nyaya to shifting from Nyaya to penal provisions.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. तो
But I think that
क्यों लगता है कि हमें अभी डेटरेंस थ्योरी को ही अप्लाई करना चाहिए, रिफॉर्मेटिव को नहीं अप्लाई करना चाहिए?
my opinion that ma'am, India is a huge country with 140 population, 140 crore. Even reformative theory won't work unless we have a stricter punishment for culprits.
Okay. Do you, what's your view regarding this? That is death penalty violative of Article 21?
No, sir, because I think crime is committed against the society.
No, what is Article 21?
Right to life and personal liberty.
What does the article says? Can you tell me?
एग्जैक्ट
In
स्टेटमेंट
related to crime. In related
Article
आर्टिकल
21.
21 का स्टेटमेंट क्या है?
Statement of Article 21. What does it say?
every individual has a right to life and personal liberty in the country.
डेयर एक्ट में क्या लिखा है आर्टिकल 21 में?
I'm not remembering.
Okay, fine. ठीक है, आपकी बात मैंने मानी. Every person have right to life.
Yes, sir.
So is death penalty not violating right to life?
No. Sir, but the culprit also is when culprit has the right to life, but the other person whom he has committed the crime also has the right to life to him.
Okay, there are two terms. One is procedure established by the law,
Yes,
and another is due process of law. Are you aware about them?
sir, I have studied, but I have not remembered yet. I'm not yet remembering the
कोई केस लॉज याद है?
Any
ड्यू
case
प्रोसेस और
laws?
प्रोसीजर एस्टैब्लिश.
Menka Gandhi versus Union of India due process law.
So what was held in that case?
It is related to, I think America had a provision of due process of law. When the constitution was in the making, our constitution makers was against the procedure of due process of law, but in the Indira Gandhi time, due process of law was added.
ऐड कर दिया गया.
Add कर दिया गया.
हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में एडेड है.
No, constitution, but it was talked about this provision. I think they've discussed about the due process of law.
ड्यू प्रोसेस ऑफ लॉ का मतलब क्या होता है? अगर सिंपल टर्म में आपको समझाना हो.
मतलब the court have the power to review the laws made by the parliament.
वो तो पहले भी था.
That is judicial review.
Judicial review, yes, sir. Sir, just
She is asking
like
about due
ninth,
process.
we have 9th schedule in the constitution where
No, she is asking about due process. She is not asking about 9th schedule or judicial review.
I'm
ड्यू
confused.
प्रोसेस में यही कहा गया ना कि जो प्रोसीजर होना चाहिए वो जस्ट फेयर और
Just fair and
रीजनेबल.
reasonable procedure.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. यानी कि इनिशियली एक एक गोपालन में कहा गया कि हम प्रोसीजर स्टैब्लिश बाय लॉ को मान रहे हैं, यानी कि व्हाटएवर द प्रोसीजर इज गिवन बाय द लॉ वी आर अज्यूमिंग दैट टू बी फेयर एंड रीजनेबल एंड वी आर नॉट गोइंग इनटू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनैलिटी ऑफ द प्रोसीजर व्हिच इज गिवन बाय द लॉ. बट इन मेनका गांधी में कहा गया कि नो, वी आर गोइंग टू चेक वेदर द प्रोसीजर given by the law is just fair or reasonable or not.
Okay, can you tell me that Article 16 Clause 6 has been added through which amendment act?
103
What is related with?
economical weaker section.
In which case,
Provision for the 10% reservation.
okay, in which case 103rd Amendment Act was challenged, the validity of 103rd Amendment Act.
Not. I have studied that case law, but I am not remembering now.
Okay, fine. Does the word law under Article 13, does it include amendments?
So it talks about whatever pre-laws were there, which is contradictory to fundamental rights.
वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट को ऐड करता है या नहीं?
Amend करते हैं.
जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट होते हैं उनके तो लॉज ही होते हैं. तो क्या जो आर्टिकल 13 में जिस लॉ को डिफाइन किया गया है, तो डज इट इंक्लूड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट आल्सो और नॉट? आर यू श्योर?
Any amendment or any case law related to this?
Minerva Mills, no, so Minerva Mills to 12 के लिए, I guess. Article 12 Minerva Mills.
What is the state as per Constitution of India?
Which is regulated or made by the
As per Article 12, rather. What is
Made by
state
the-
as per Article 12 of Constitution of India?
which is regulated or authorized by the Parliament or Government of India or Government of State.
Is JAMIA a state?
Yes, sir.
Under which article and how?
JAMIA is governed by and regulated by the Government of India.
So that's why it is a state.
Is it
As
a
far as I remember, it is only the
is
provision-
JAMIA a constitutional body?
No, sir.
Is it a statutory body?
Yes, sir. It is established through religion basis.
Seriously? It is a statutory body.
I am confused.
Okay.
कोई रीजन केस लॉज पूछे?
Any case related to minority, validity of minority institutions?
A legal Muslim university's case was there. I not remember
Title.
exactly what is the title.
Which case does it overrule? There was earlier a landmark case.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, भी रिसेंटली बहुत ज्यादा न्यूज़ में था फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ पेडेस्ट्रियन के बारे में.
Pedestrian.
फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ पेडेस्ट्रियन, मुस्लिम जो पैदल चलते हैं फुटपाथ पर, कहा गया कि फंडामेंटल राइट्स उनके पास कि दैट दे कैन वॉक फ्रीली ऑन फुटपाथ. ये किस केस में हेल्ड हुआ है?